Welcome to my channel. How to reset and change ZTE router Wi-Fi password. Step 1. Connect to your ZTE router. Connect your computer, smartphone, or tablet to the ZTE router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. A stable connection helps you make changes without interruptions. Step 2. Open the router login page. Open your preferred web browser and type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Press Enter to access the router's login screen. Step 3. Sign in to the admin panel. Enter the router's admin username and password. If you haven't changed them before, use the default credentials printed on the router's label or in the user manual. Step 4. Find the wireless settings. After logging in, go to the wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN section. This menu contains the settings for your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 5. Change the Wi-Fi password. Locate the Wi-Fi password, security key, or WPA/WPA2 password field. Enter a new, strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 6. Save the new settings. Click the Save or Apply button to store the changes. The router may restart automatically, and all connected devices will temporarily disconnect. Step 7. Reconnect your devices. Reconnect your phone, laptop, smart TV, and other devices using the new Wi-Fi password. If a device doesn't connect, forget the old network and connect again. Step 8. Reset the router. If you can't access the router settings, press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait until the router restarts and restores its factory settings. Step 9. Set up the router again. Log in using the default admin credentials after the reset. Create a new Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and set a secure password to protect your internet connection. Step 10. Test the new Wi-Fi connection. Connect a few devices using the updated password and check that the internet is working properly. Make sure the new settings are saved and your ZTE router is running smoothly. Thanks for watching.